So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is apply Pixelate effect to it. So in order to do that, you simply need to go ahead and select out a picture right here, and then go around under effects, and then go around under distort, and here you can see that Pixelate is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can immediately see that it seems as if the image is low resolution. That is because we have adjusted it out in the square pixelation mode, and then you can see I can change around the width and height with the amount of how big you want the pixel to be right here. So right now the width and height is actually interlocked together as well, as you can see, because we have square selected out. We can also change around the opacity and we get this effect like this. Apart from that, if I were to go for rectangle, however, I can change around the level of effect of Pixelate right here just by clicking and dragging the width and height right here. You can also go for radial type of pixelation effect right here just by increasing and decreasing out the width, as you can see right here. And this is the type of pixelation effect that you get, just like a ripple, as you can see. And you can adjust the opacity for it just like this as well, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the Pixelate effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.